Edge Connect controllers are the next generation of Hypertherm's industry-leading automated control systems. Like its predecessor, Edge Pro, Edge Connect delivers reliable performance for improved profitability. The Edge Connect platform is built upon almost 50 years of experience and commitment to develop, build, and sell products that improve the entire cutting operation. This training will introduce you to the Edge Connect CNC. It will help you to recognize the importance of the CNC in the entire cutting operation. You'll be able to describe features and benefits of Edge Connect software and hardware. Finally, you'll be able to verbalize the distinct value that the Edge Connect provides to any cutting system. You can see from the previous section that the CNC is the brains of the entire cutting operation. Its importance cannot be overstated. Controllers play a critical role in the overall success of a cutting machine. Ideally, a CNC should be easy to use and ensure consistent, reliable performance. A CNC can increase the cutting table's productivity and throughput, while also providing flexibility for system configuration. The CNC controls process timing and enables accurate motion to ensure good cut quality and part dimensions. Simplified system diagnostics provided by CNCs help technicians get the machine back up and running quickly. CNCs with advanced cut process control simplify part programming and reduce training for operators. CNCs also provide integrated communications to the cutting system and whatever tools might be available on the cutting table. The Edge Connect offers new and improved hardware with EtherCAT system communications. Additionally, new software features have been added to further increase productivity and leverage benefits of shortcut technology. Edge Connect provides Hypertherm cutting know-how for superior cutting performance with little or no operator input. The EtherCAT digital communication optimizes machine setup and performance. New features such as the Soft Operators Console and internal PLC help reduce cost and improve customization. The controller hardware is improved and more modular, allowing for simple CNC upgrades and point-of-use configuration design. ProNest CNC allows cutting systems to leverage advanced shortcut applications such as TrueHole and Rapid Part technology. You'll learn more about the new Edge Connect controller platform over the next few minutes. To learn more about shortcut technology, please complete the Understanding Shortcut Technology e-learning module. Development of the Hypertherm Edge Connect CNC focused primarily on two goals. First, the Edge Connect needed to make it easy for users to optimize their cutting performance. Second, it needed to provide an automation platform that can offer the latest cutting technologies as they become available. Embedded expertise with Hypertherm's easy-to-use Phoenix CNC software delivers consistent performance for cutting applications. This software is designed specifically for the XY and bevel cutting market and is available in over 15 languages for easy operation in any region. Phoenix software utilizes a common user interface for all cutting processes, including plasma, oxyfuel, and waterjet. The Cut Pro wizard simplifies job setup and reduces the time it takes to train operators. Built-in cut charts, torch height control settings, and advanced part program support enable optimal cutting performance with minimal operator input. Onboard Hypertherm manuals, consumable change instructions, and cutting optimization tips are easily accessible right on the CNC. Built-in diagnostics and setup tools for cutting system and motion diagnostics are available for technicians and maintenance providers. Finally, Phoenix software has integrated torch height control for sensor THC with sampled arc voltage and rapid part technology capabilities. Through these features and more, Phoenix software helps customers get the most from their cutting operation. The next few slides will cover the software and hardware features that are new with the release of the Edge Connect platform. ProNest is Hypertherm's industry-leading CAD/CAM nesting software. Edge Connect offers a new software product, ProNest CNC, which is a simplified version of ProNest designed specifically for the needs of the operator at the cutting machine. ProNest CNC is available as single-part pattern array nesting or with an optional upgrade for multi-part true shape nesting. The optional true shape nesting module enables operators to nest multiple part files on the same plate with more efficient nesting techniques. To learn more about ProNest CNC for EdgeConnect controllers, complete the ProNest CNC e-learning module. An operator's console, OpCon, is a human-machine interface device used in the operation of the CNC. For a cutting machine, this is typically used for process selections, station enable, and manual motion. OpCons can be offered as hardware, software, or both. Hardware has the advantage of tactile feedback of the controls, but this can be limiting due to space requirements on the panel. Software control has the advantages of reduced hardware costs and increased flexibility for function and expandability. All EdgeConnect CNCs include a soft OpCon, which can be customized by the cutting machine builder for integrating unique machine functions. The EdgeConnect TC includes a standard hardware OpCon with controls for start and stop, 2 speed potentiometers, raise lower torch, and joystick functions. The default Hypertherm soft OpCon for all EdgeConnect CNCs replaces the need for expensive hardware switches and buttons, reducing cutting machine costs. It can be adapted for up to 8 cutting stations without customization, and provides USB video camera support for live video. OEM customization tools are available for unique machine functions and appearance. EtherCAT is an open standard for digital field bus communications used in industrial applications. EtherCAT provides high-speed communication to machine drives, input-output signals, and other devices. It's a fast-growing technology that provides future opportunities for EdgeConnect controllers to grow with the needs of the cutting market. There are several benefits of EtherCAT communications on EdgeConnect CNCs. EtherCAT dramatically simplifies wiring to the CNC and cutting systems by providing single-cable connectivity between the CNC and the drive cabinet. This greatly reduces integration time. All traditional analog drive wiring from the CNC, about 40 to 50 individually wired connections, is replaced by a single industrial EtherCAT cable. All EdgeConnect CNCs can now support the simplest 2-axis systems up to the most complex 10+ axis dual bevel plasma systems. EtherCAT is the most common real-time digital protocol in the world. With EtherCAT, motion for cutting is equivalent to that of any other real-time network. Many drive and I/O manufacturers, as well as accessory manufacturers, support EtherCAT. The EtherCAT interface dramatically decreases the number of components needed for the EdgeConnect CNCs. This helps to reduce size while increasing performance and reliability. EdgeConnect TC weighs 65% less than the Edge Pro, but the touchscreen size has actually increased from 15 inches to 19 inches. EdgeConnect hardware is greatly improved from today's reliable Edge Pro platform. The hard disk drive is replaced with a solid-state drive, and there is a significant reduction in the number of printed circuit boards. AC and DC power are supplied externally, eliminating the need for in-CNC filtering and power distribution. Power consumption has been reduced by over 70%, and the low-wattage processor and CNC require no active heat dissipation, eliminating the need for fans. The EdgeConnect is the smallest, most customizable CNC and offers the greatest flexibility for system integration. Cutting table OEMs provide the touchscreen, cabinet, and any operator switches needed. The EdgeConnect TC offers the enclosure and touchscreen, but also adds the hardware operator's console with start, stop, and manual speed control, as well as raise lower torch and joystick. Sensor Torch Height Control, THC, is an integrated torch positioning system that leverages Hypertherm's embedded process expertise. As a software feature built into EdgeConnect CNCs, Sensor THC allows the use of Hypertherm-supplied lifter mechanics or custom lifter mechanics for special applications. Hypertherm's lifter mechanics with optional magnetic breakaway are based on the popular arc glide system and can be used on plasma systems up to 800 amps. Side shields protect the slide from debris for multi-torch systems, and the integrated laser pointer enables easy plate alignment. The magnetic breakaway protects the torch from damage during collisions and allows for quick, repeatable recovery should a collision occur. The retention cable on the breakaway prevents the torch from falling into the cutting table. Let's take a minute to see what you remember about EdgeConnect CNCs. Match each statement by dragging the corresponding letter to the product or feature the statement best describes. Click Submit to check your answers. You'll get 3 attempts to get them all correct. Good luck!